Hey you guys, happy Friday. So, no, today's Thursday, isn't it? You know what? My week is just so crazy. But I wanted to chat with you guys about the buildup that happens on your warmer. So I just cleaned out my warmer dish, and it's disgusting. This is a warmer that Scentsy, an exclusive warmer that Scentsy allowed us to work for as consultants. And I just wanted to show you that awful gross buildup. So the reason that this buildup happens is a combination of just the dust and the pollutants in your air. And then as you warm wax in your warmer, the dust settles into the wax and hardens on the bottom because of the heat and because of time. And so it just kind of starts looking funky and gross, but it does not affect the performance of the warmer, of course. It just looks bad. So two things I wanted to chat with you about. This buildup is so bad because this was before we realized how easily it is to use cotton balls to clean up your wax. So when your wax no longer smells and it's all melted, not like this has just been put in. But when it's all melted, you throw in cotton balls. The cotton balls absorb all the wax, and you just take the cotton balls and throw them away. The cool thing about the cotton balls is it also absorbs all of the debris that's gathered on the bottom of your warmer, which is super duper lovely and keeps your warmer dish looking a lot better than that. But for those of you like me that didn't learn the cotton ball trick until, maybe 4 or 5 months ago, you have warmer dishes that look like this. And the cool thing is that our counter clean will take this from drab to fab. The counter clean and a little bit of elbow grease will make this buildup come off, and you will be looking at a much better warmer dish than that. If it bothers you, then you can clean it. If it doesn't bother you, then you're good. For those of you that have dishes, we call these dishes or lids. If you have a cracked dish or lid, then just let me know. I can try to find you a replacement, because there is no reason for you to throw that warmer away just because your lid is cracked or dirty. And the other thing that I was going to tell you is, why do we say cotton balls instead of the old-fashioned method of, some of you guys might take this off and take it to the freezer. Maybe you take it off and you use a butter knife. Oh my gosh, I've heard every kind of story in the world. Let me tell you a little something about ceramic. Ceramic doesn't like to be, the temperature of ceramic needs to be pretty consistent. It doesn't need to get really hot or really cold too fast, which is why our light bulbs warm the ceramic up slowly, gradually, because any severe, major, extreme temperature change will cause hairline fractures in ceramic. Not just our ceramic, any ceramic. That's just something you know when you deal with ceramic. So taking this off from heat and putting it straight into the freezer, that's like ceramic suicide, you guys. Don't do that. Use cotton balls. Or taking this off in a hardened state and trying to use a butter knife to get it out. Oh my gosh, who has time for that? Nobody does. So just use your cotton balls and you'll be good to go. I hope this helps. Bye.